Hello, the trading guide is here with a beginner video for trading pullbacks. It is a very short one, but I will get straight to the point. As an example, I use the Euro USD, the 4-hour time frame, and you see we are in an uptrend. To see the zones of support and resistance, I use an indicator called the higher high lower low strategy. The red lines are the latest highs and the green lines the latest lows. And in this chart I can see an area where price had support. Then this candle is breaking the zone and then it turns into a level of resistance. At least this is my assumption. So what I'm waiting for is that the price is coming into this area and then a price action like this rejection wick appears, which is a confirmation that my assumption is right and that the price is not going higher than this level. Okay, now I could enter the trade, but I want to have a bit more confirmation and this is why I add an indicator. I add two EMAs, the 20 and the 50. You can use my free indicator for EMA trend, link is in the description below. And what we can see here is that the rejection wick appears directly at the 50 EMA, okay? A second confirmation that the price is not going higher. Basically that's enough for me to take the trade, but if you like you can add a third indicator, for example the RSI, and here at the candle, where we want to enter the trade, the RSI is going below the level of 50. Then I decide to go short. The stop loss are set to the previous high and the take profit at the previous low. This is already a winning trade with a ratio of 1 to 1.7, but I like to stay in the trade at least till the candle is closing, and now we have a ratio of about 1 to 2. Okay, to sum it up, first I search for a level in the chart, for example a support, that could act then as resistance. At this level I'm looking for a price action like an engulfing candle or a pin bar. As a last confirmation I'm adding an indicator, for example moving averages or an RSI. And that's it. I hope you liked the video guys. If you do then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any questions then add these to the comments below. The link to my free TradingView indicators can be found in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon on the Trading Guide.